Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Bing Webmaster Tools crawl and sitemap status step by step clearly. To verify your Bing Webmaster Tools crawl and sitemap status, begin by logging into your Bing Webmaster Tools account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the prompts on the Bing Webmaster Tools homepage. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your sites are listed. Select the website you want to check from the list. On the left-hand menu, look for the Configure My Sites section. Under this section, click on Sitemaps. Here, you will see a list of submitted sitemaps. Review the status of each sitemap listed. An OK status indicates that Bing is successfully crawling your site. If a sitemap shows an error, click on it for more details. To resolve errors, ensure your sitemap URL is correct and accessible. Next, return to the dashboard to check the crawl status. Click on the Reports and Data section in the left menu. Select Crawl Information from the drop-down. This section provides insights on recent crawls by Bing. Review the crawl errors report for any issues. A high number of crawl errors may require further investigation. Ensure that your site is not blocking Bing's crawler via robots.txt. You can also check for any security issues that might affect crawling. Once you have verified both crawl and sitemap statuses, make any necessary adjustments. Regularly monitoring these statuses helps maintain your site's visibility on Bing. That's the process for verifying your Bing Webmaster Tools crawl and sitemap status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.